Well, the power to manifest. It's a very important power to be able to manifest. We have some thoughts, we have some desires. We perhaps even may know the roadmap to manifest what we think. But we need to work at it. Now, how to go about working at it? Number one is focus. Have you had this experience? You look into a mirror, perhaps to see your face, but then you see a lot of other objects behind you in the mirror. Now, the objective of the mirror was to just look at your face, but you have unnecessary objects which is visible in the mirror to you as you look at your face. Those objects we may categorize as noise or unwanted things. That is not the objective. So if you are focused, you will need to first eliminate the noises or unwanted wastes, which is not your objective. So first we have to eliminate those, identify those things which are deterrent to our focus, and then eliminate them, delete them. Then we get very focused. It's almost like cutting a mirror to the size of your face if the objective is to look into the mirror to see your face. After focus, the second thing is to be able to go to details. For example, there are many shows on television where they give awards to the best chef to make food. Now, making food is one of the basic things that every human being has done. You have done it too. Many people at home have made a specific dish over 1,000 times. But then they are not considered as the best in their field. They are not considered to be having domain expertise. They are not considered to be specialists, though they have been doing it many number of times, again and again, repetitively, that they have the dexterity, they have the knowledge, but yet why are they not the champions? They are not the champions because they have not gone to the details. They have not gone to further learning the details of many ingredients, its components, its many contexts, its many arrangements, many permutations, the results of that, the consequences of wrong permutation and combination of the food ingredients. So perhaps the award goes to that chef who has not only made the food repeatedly but also has gone deep to study the detail, has gone into the details. So the first is to have the focus with the example of the mirror. The second is to be able to go to the details with the example of the champion in making food. A third one is to be sporty. A sport looks at obstacles as challenges. The sports person invokes competitiveness, a healthy competitiveness. That's called, hey, let's be sporty about things. So even in defeat, even in failure, the sports person is not only competitive but is also happy. And he has a wisdom that it's only a sport. And in the sport, while the sport is on, it's not just an unhealthy confrontation or a conflict, but it's a healthy competition. And the sports person definitely prepares and plans to win, but he has an attitude of being sporty. That is, number one, it's a challenge. The obstacle is no more an obstacle, it's a challenge. And in the challenge, he has to invoke some sportiness, some courage, some vigor, and then prepare his program, prepare his run, the meet, and then compete. And in the compete, there is no adversary. There's only another partner to compete with. The result can be winning, but there's a difference between a conflict and a confronting an adversary, whereas if it's sporty, it's a competitive partner. So converting all adversary into a competitive partner is called being sporty. So to manifest your thoughts, to manifest your words, you need to first be focused, learn from the details, go into the details, and finally be sporty by converting the adversary into a competitive partner.